Hello, welcome from Abel, and today in this program we will learn how to say goodbye. In our previous programs, we just learned to say goodbye, greeting informally, formally, and today in this program we will learn how to say goodbye. It is very useful to learn how to say goodbye, but how do you fit in the conversation? I mean, you will just drop a Bible in the middle of a conversation? I don't think so. It would be pretty rude. There are some fun ways and there are also some standard ways to say goodbye. But I just want to save the fun things for last. These phrases must be very useful in these situations such as leaving a school meeting, leaving a class, meeting your elder neighbors, saying goodbye to your parents' friend, and etc. So now I will call my friend Ayaan and he will tell you some of the phrases and I will tell you where these phrases are used. Hi Ayaan, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm great. Could you please tell me the phrases?
Yes, I can tell you the phrases. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Wishing someone a good day, a good evening or a good weekend is our kind gesture. So this phrase you can use it in a polite situations. You can use it when you are communicating and you are talking to someone. You can use it face to face, or you can use it when you are on telephone or phone, and you can also write it at the end of an email. So could you please tell me some more phrases?
Yes. Today I will tell you how to say bye-bye phrases. It is very easy and simple. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleasure to meet you. I think, friends, it's time to make a move. I gotta go. Good to catch up. Have a lovely weekend. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Bye for now.
Okay, so these phrases you can use when you want to go somewhere, when you want to end the conversation, when you want to go back. So now, has this happened to you that you want to end a meeting, but there is still 5 minutes left, and you just only know the word saying goodbye, but you cannot end the meeting without any reason. So in this situation, you can use this phrase. It was a wonderful meeting. I must go. I've got to go to market, or any reason you want to say. But be sure that should be true. That must be true. So now we are going to our recap. So I think it's time to make a move. Good to catch up. Gotta go. See you later. See you tomorrow. And there are more phrases, but I just want to say the most useful phrases. Bye for now.